Right. Chemical properties of nitrobenzene in the presence of neutral medium, acidic medium, basic medium, NaBH4, glucose, lithium aluminum hydride. So after that, partial reduction of nitro compounds. Partial reduction of nitro compounds. Partial reduction of nitro compounds. Dinitrobenzene NO2 dinitrobenzene. It is a dinitrobenzene. Now this dinitrobenzene reduction with Na2S, sodium polysulfide, or NH4 taken twice SH, or Na2S2O3. So in the presence of this sodium polysulfide, especially only one NO2 group is reduced. This is also called as selective reduction. Selective reduction means in the presence of sodium polysulfide, only one NO2 group is reduced into NH2 group. Okay, this is called as NH2 NO2. Okay, in the presence of sodium sulfide Na2S, preferentially only one NO2 group is reduced into amine group. This is dinitro NO2 group, here also NO2 group. So 3 NO2 groups are present: meta position, symmetrical trinitrobenzene, symmetrical trinitrobenzene. In this selective reduction, only Na2S, only one NO2 group is reduced to amine group. Okay, this is selective reduction or partial reduction of NO2 groups. This is NO2 and NO2. Only one NO2 group is reduced to amino group. Okay, this is called as selective reduction. After that, electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. Benzene with NO2 group. This NO2 group is a meta-directing group. Meta-directing group means electrophilic substitution takes place at meta position only. Because of your meta-directing group means it is a electron withdrawing group. So presence of electron withdrawing group, electrophilic substitution reactions takes place at meta position only. So therefore, your electrophilic substitution reactions are especially benzene, nitrobenzene, nitration, and also sulfonation and halogenation. So therefore, here nitrobenzene C6H5NO2. It is a nitrobenzene. Now this nitrobenzene reacts with nitrating mixture like concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4 at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature. NO2 electrophile is attacks at beta position, so we are getting NO2 and NO2. This is a beta directing group. Meta dinitrobenzene formation. Okay, concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4. Similarly here chlorination Cl2 in the presence of AlCl3. Now this chlorine electrophile is attacks at meta position, so therefore metachloronitrobenzene formation NO2Cl. This is called as metachloronitrobenzene. It is a metachloronitrobenzene formation. Okay, similarly sulfonation reaction, only H2SO4 is added at meta position, SO3 group is attached to the nitrobenzene. So here meta-nitrobenzene sulfuric acid. Its name is meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. So these are the best example for electrophilic substitution reactions on nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene upon nitration and halogenation and sulfonation. But nitrobenzene is used as a solvent in Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, note nitrobenzene used as a solvent. Nitrobenzene is used as a solvent in Friedel-Crafts reactions. In Friedel-Crafts reactions. Okay, nitrobenzene used as a solvent in Friedel-Crafts reactions. Right, once again, in nitrobenzene, NO2 group is a meta directing group. That's why electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at only meta position. Okay, these two are meta positions. Third and fifth positions are meta positions. Second and sixth positions are ortho positions. Fourth position is the para position. So in this molecule, electrophilic substitution reactions are preferentially takes place at meta position only. So therefore, in nitration, meta-nitrobenzene, in halogenation, metachloronitrobenzene, in sulfonation, meta-nitrobenzene sulfonic acid. Okay, these are the electrophilic substitution reactions. Similarly, nucleophilic substitution reactions are also carried out in the presence of electron withdrawing groups. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Yes, for example, a chlorine on treatment with NaOH at high temperature and high pressure. At high temperature and high pressure, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place to produce phenol. This is nucleophilic substitution. But in this chlorobenzene, electron withdrawing group NO2 groups are introduced. For example, here NO2 group is electron withdrawing group is nitro group. So now this NO2 group is introduced on the benzene system, aromatic system. This nucleophile, Cl minus nucleophile is easily replaced by OH minus nucleophile. So here NaOH, this chlorine is replaced by OH group. It is the best example for nucleophilic substitution reaction, orthonitrophenol. Similarly, if one more electron withdrawing group is introduced on the aromatic system like this NO2 and NO2, so easily reacts with base like NaOH, then it gives a chlorine replaced by OH and NO2 and NO2. Okay, similarly, here 3 electron withdrawing groups are increases, chlorine and NO2, here NO2 and NO2. Trinitro-chlorobenzene with warm water, just warm water is enough. Here nucleophilic substitution reaction, OH group, NO2 group and NO2 group, here NO2 group. This is called as picric acid, or it is also called as 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. Okay, 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, or it is also called as picric acid. This is nucleophilic substitution on aryl halides. But in the case of nitrobenzene, nucleophilic substitution. Yes, nitrobenzene C6H5NO2, this is nitrobenzene NO2, okay, is treated with aqueous KOH. Okay, aqueous KOH means here NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group is present. Electrophilic substitution reaction takes place at meta position. If electron withdrawing group is present, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho and para position. Okay, nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho and para position. So therefore, here NO2 nitrobenzene is treated with aqueous KOH potassium hydroxide. It gives orthonitrophenol and also paranitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol plus paranitrophenol. This is paranitrophenol. Why? Because the reason is NO2 group is the electron withdrawing group. Presence of electron withdrawing group, electrophilic substitution takes place at meta position, but nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place at ortho and para position. Okay, these are the substitution reactions on nitrobenzene. Right, next topic is alkyl nitrites. Alkyl nitrites. Alkyl nitrites. Okay, nitro compounds, nitro compounds and alkyl nitrites, alkyl nitrites. Nitro compounds means NO2 group containing compounds are called as nitro compounds. Alkyl nitrites means RONO group containing compounds are nitrites. Nitrites. Now, how to prepare alkyl nitrites? Okay, preparation of alkyl nitrites. Preparation method from alkyl halides. Okay, from alkyl halides only, from alkyl halides. Yes, alkyl halide RX on treatment with KNO2, potassium nitrate, it gives alkyl nitrites RONO plus KX, potassium halide. Okay, nitro alkyl nitrates and also nitro alkanes plus KX. Similarly, alkyl halides on treatment with silver nitrite AgNO2 gives rise to RNO2 plus RONO, alkyl nitrite, RONO, alkyl nitrite plus AgX. Now, what is the difference between these two? If alkyl halide is treated with KNO2, alkyl nitrite is the major, alkyl nitrite is major compound, nitroalkane is the minor compound, nitroalkane minor compound. If silver nitrate is added to the alkyl halide, nitroalkane is the minor compound and nitroalkane is the major compound, nitroalkane is the major compound, here alkyl nitrate is the minor compound. Okay, this is the main difference. Okay, when alkyl halides reacts with KNO2, it gives alkyl nitrates and nitroalkanes. If alkyl halides on treatment with AgNO2, RNO2 plus RONO. So KNO2, it is the ionic nature. So presence of ionic compound, more electronegative oxygen is binding with the alkyl group. Here silver nitrate, it is a covalent in nature. So therefore here especially nitrogen is attached to alkyl group. Okay, so preparation method from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides on treatment with KNO2, alkyl nitrates and nitroalkanes are produces. Alkyl halide with silver nitrate and nitroalkanes are major and alkyl nitrates minor compound. Okay, so this is preparation method of alkyl nitrites. To properties of alkyl nitrites, properties of alkyl nitrites, hydrolysis of alkyl nitrites, hydrolysis hydrolysis or CH2NO2. Nitro compounds, nitroalkanes. Nitroalkanes upon hydrolysis in the presence of acid, carboxylic acid formation takes place. Okay, carboxylic acid formation. Carboxylic acid formation. But alkyl nitrite is taken, RONO, alkyl nitrite upon hydrolysis. Alkyl nitrite upon hydrolysis, it gives ROH, alcohol, okay, plus ROH, and remaining is HNO2. Okay, this is a alcohol, and it is acid. Okay, you know according to organic chemistry, acid plus alcohol is equal to ester. Okay, this is important one. Acid plus alcohol. Acid plus alcohol in the presence of mineral acid like H plus. What is the product obtained in this reaction? Ester plus water. Ester plus water formation. Okay, this reaction is called as esterification reaction. Okay, this reaction is known as esterification reaction. Esterification reaction. What is esterification? When acid is treated with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid, it gives ester and water. Similarly, here alcohol plus nitrous acid. Alcohol, acid is HNO2, nitrous acid. Alcohol is ROH. Here ester is alkyl nitrite, RONO, alkyl nitrate. This is considered as ester, and water, H2O. Okay, this is similar to esterification reaction. But in this, here ester, generally organic ester is RCOOR. It is the ester, general ester formula. Okay, the formula of the general ester is RONO. HNO2 when treated with alcohol in the presence of acid, when acid reacts with alcohol in the presence of mineral acid, it gives ester and water. Ester, organic ester is RCOOR, ester. But here ester is RONO. This alkyl nitrite is called as inorganic ester. It is a alkyl nitrite. This alkyl nitrite is called as inorganic ester. It is called as inorganic ester. Alkyl nitrite is known as inorganic ester. Okay, this is about hydrolysis of alkyl nitrites. What about the reduction? Reduction of alkyl nitrites and nitroalkanes. Reduction of alkyl nitrites and nitroalkanes. Reduction of nitroalkanes or NO2 reduction. Okay, tin plus HCl, Sn plus HCl or lithium aluminum hydride. or H2 by nickel, H2 by nickel, or lithium aluminum hydride, or metal plus HCl. Here this NO2 group is reduced into amine or NH2. Okay, nitro compound is reduced into amine. Okay, nitro compound is converted into amine, or NO2 nitro group is converted into amine group in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride. Similarly, alkyl nitrides with suitable reducing agent reduction, it is given by alcohol ROH plus ammonia. Okay, formation of alcohol and ammonia. This is reduction about alkyl nitrides. It is a alkyl nitrite. Okay, alkyl nitrite reduction, alcohol plus ammonia. Nitroalkanes reduction, amines formation, primary amine formation. Okay, it is the reduction reaction of nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrides. Right, and one more nitrogen containing compound, that is cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanides general formula RCN and isocyanides general formula RNC. Cyanides and isocyanides. Right. Preparation methods of cyanides and isocyanides. Preparation methods. First method, from alkyl halides. Preparation of cyanides and isocyanides from alkyl halides. Right. Alkyl halide RX. Now this alkyl halide on treatment with KCN, potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, what happened? Nucleophilic substitution reaction takes place. It gives RCN plus KX or NaX, alkyl cyanide plus KCN. Similarly, if this alkyl halide is treated with silver cyanide, AgCN, gives rise to RNC, alkyl isocyanide plus AgX. Okay, so here Cn is the cyanide molecule, it is a cyanide. NC means isocyanide formation. Okay, cyanide and isocyanide formation. For example, here methyl chloride is taken, CH3Cl. Now this CH3Cl on treatment with KCN, potassium cyanide, it is given by methyl cyanide, CH3CN plus KCN. If it is treated with AgCN, silver cyanide formation, it gives CH3NC, methyl isocyanide plus AgCl formation. Okay, so methyl cyanide formation and methyl isocyanide. So preparation of cyanides and isocyanides from alkyl halides. Now here also same reason, sodium cyanide or potassium cyanides are ionic compounds. They are completely ionized into its cations and anions. And the silver cyanide, it is the covalent in nature, So covalent compound. So that's what is the covalency of functional group carbon. What is the covalency of functional group carbon in A and B compounds? In A and B compounds. Okay, when alkyl halide reacts with KCN or NaCN, DgCN, A and B compounds are obtained. In this A and B compounds, covalency of what is the covalency of functional group carbon? Functional group carbon in A and B compounds. Yes, here alkyl halide with AgCN is produced by isocyanide formation. Therefore, A compound is isocyanide or N triple bond C, isocyanide. This alkyl halide on treatment with KCN or NaCN, cyanide formation. So B compound is cyanide or C triple bond N, cyanide. What is the covalency of functional group carbon? Functional group carbon means here this is the functional group carbon, in this functional group carbon is this. Covalency is nothing but total number of bonds around the carbon. So around this carbon total number of bonds are 1, 2, 3 only, therefore its covalency is 3. Now in this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds are present, therefore its covalency is 4. So in isocyanide functional group carbon covalency is 3, in cyanide functional group carbon covalency is 4. Okay, this is important one. So preparation method of cyanides and isocyanides from alkyl halides. Okay, and one more method. Carbyl amine reaction or isocyanide reaction. Carbyl amine reaction or isocyanide reaction. Right. Second method, preparation of cyanides and isocyanides. Carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction. Carbyl amine reaction or isocyanide test. Carbyl amine reaction or isocyanide test. Yes, aliphatic or aromatic. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines. Aliphatic or aromatic primary amines on treatment with chloroform in the presence of alkali like NaOH or KOH to form isocyanide formation takes place. Okay, for example, methylamine CH3NH2, methylamine. It is a aliphatic primary amine. Methylamine, It is a aliphatic primary amine. Now this methylamine reacts with chloroform in the presence of base like NaOH, 3 moles of NaOH. This methylamine is converted into methyl isocyanate, CH3NC, methyl isocyanate, and byproduct is 3 moles of sodium chloride and 3 moles of water. Okay, this is called as methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanide preparation. Okay, similarly, if aromatic primary amine is taken, that is aniline C6H5NH2 aniline. Now this aniline reacts with chloroform in the presence of base like NaOH or KOH. Similarly, this primary amine is converted into isocyanate C6H5NC phenyl isocyanate plus 3 moles of sodium chloride plus 3 moles of water. Okay, this is called as phenyl isocyanate, phenyl isocyanate formation. So this method is helpful to prepare only isocyanates. So based on this carbylamine reaction or isocyanate test, we can identify the aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. So therefore it is a note, this test is useful to identify the aliphatic and aromatic primary amines. Okay, secondary amines and tertiary amines are not respond to carbylamine reaction. So carbylamine reaction or isocyanate test is given by only primary amines, aliphatic primary amines or aromatic primary amines. This is carbylamine reaction.